Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Use Basics. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add Bing on your ChatGPT. To get started, you need to log into your ChatGPT on chatgpt.com in your browsers. After logging in to your ChatGPT account, you need to click on Explore GPTs, which is on the top left corner of your browser. In the Explore GPT, you can discover and create custom versions of ChatGPT that combine different instructions. In the search bar of Explore GPT, you need to now search Bing. You need to now click on Chat Bing. This custom GPT is a web search assistant specializing in finding resources to discover passion, just like the Bing browser. You now need to simply click on the Start Chat button. And that's it, you've successfully added Bing on your ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment on this video. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more future updates. Thank you for watching.